Hi guys, welcome to the short video about this REZERO handmade genuine leather watch band. I have bought the dark brown and the butterfly buckle and 22mm wide. So this is what I got. Has a little bit a different brand or different name on it compared to the listing. This is what we get here. We have even a small I think screwdriver, something like that, and here's something to push. We get it with these 3 axles here, and here we have the band, the 2 sides, and I would say these are looking really good. The main intention here was to have really a flat band, nothing which is bent. I had bought this band here from another brand and I was also hoping that it was flat, but you can see it is bent. This is something which I actually don't like so much. I want to have a flat one, and here for this watch I was thinking maybe a brown one could be really nice, and I think it's a nice color here. Beautiful style, beautiful color so far. So I'm going to replace it here. So of course we have to squeeze in these axles here. Yeah, that was definitely not a problem. Also on the other side, and I like really that we have also this spare axle if something happens. So let's remove the original or the other band here, and so let's put the one here. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to decide which is the inside, which is the outside. They look almost the same. I think the thing here with the genuine leather is probably the inside. So what I see here is definitely a problem a little bit, because we don't have this thing here inside to push. This is pretty much a standard that we have this thing to squeeze it in, and so we don't have it here. This could be a little bit more difficult to do the job here, and probably that's the reason why we need this thing here. So we squeeze it. So we try to find the center here and then push it inside. It's definitely not as easy, but it also works. Yeah, now we have a good hold, and here same thing. I think this thing here is the imprint of the leather is the inside. So I'll push it here to this side, then I'll push it down with this tool here. So let's squeeze it in. It's a little bit hard. It needs a little bit of power, definitely. I have to find the right location. I think if we would lose the tool here, it should also be possible to do it with a fingernail. It's just a little bit harder, or just with another tool. I think it's possible, but with the tool it's definitely easier to do that. You just need to be a little bit more careful that you don't scratch the housing of your beautiful watch. So at the very end it's the same as when we have this thing here. To squeeze it with our fingernail, instead of 10 seconds it took me about 5 minutes, or even almost 10 minutes. But here we are, and I think it's a beautiful one, definitely fits perfectly. Then we remove the protection here, also this side and this. So now let's try to open it. We squeeze it, you can see the 2 things here we have to squeeze together, then we can open it, and of course we can also open this thing here. Of course we have to secure this here inside. We have to just find the right length here and then push this needle inside at the right location. I think I have adjusted it now to the right size here, somewhere in the middle. It's nicely secured, so I can put it over my wrist and then secure it here from both sides. Push it to the inside, it's closed. Yeah, opens here a little bit again, and now I have to squeeze. This securing band here is at this position, so we can't change that, so it could be a little bit difficult to squeeze it in, to be honest. This thing, the second one, we can adjust. So I think we are now ready with everything. 100% fits perfectly. I think it's very comfortable, looks good, definitely as expected. Yeah, the butterfly, would I go again with the butterfly? I don't know. I mean, it's my first day. It looks a little bit complicated at the moment, but it's definitely beautiful. It has some additional security, so why not? So definitely works for me, and so you can buy it directly here from Amazon, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.